Hey, how's it going? This is Marat, and today I am back with another Everyday Osho. So, it's been a few days. I decided to look through the book, and this is number 176 called Planetary Being. And this one's quite a little bit different from the ones I've done before, so I wanted something slightly different, something that wasn't, along the same course. So, let's get into it. Something I actually believe really strongly in when I read the first introduction to the page. So the earth is undivided. India and Pakistan and England and Germany exist only on the map. And those maps are created by politicians, the power mad people. The whole earth is yours. There is no need to identify with anything. Why become confined to small territories? Why be confined by politics? Claim the whole heritage of the earth. It is your earth. Be a planetary being rather than a national one. Forget about India and England and think of the whole globe. Think of each and every one as brothers and sisters. They are. When you are an Indian, you are against others. You have to be, otherwise how will you define your Indianhood? You are against China, against Pakistan, and against this and against that. All identifications are basically against. When you are for something, you are against something else, naturally. Don't be for or against. Just be. There are better things to think about. You don't ask, with what disease should I identify myself? Tuberculosis or cancer? Let me read that again if you didn't catch that. You don't ask yourself, which disease should I identify myself with? Tuberculosis or cancer? Maybe HIV. I think that's the one for me. These national identities are just like tuberculosis and cancer. In a better world, there will be no countries. In a higher world, there will be no religions. To be human is enough. And one has even to go beyond that one day. Then one becomes divine. Then even this earth is too small to contain you. Then the stars are also yours. This whole universe is yours, and when one becomes universal, one has arrived. Reminds me of the song that John Lennon wrote with Imagine. I feel like John Lennon was a very amazing human being, and his life was short-lived, but his legend lives on because he imagined a world where there were no countries, where everyone loved each other. And not just in the sense of the word, but truly cared about one another. Anyway, hope you took something away from that. Much love. Keep on living and loving and leveling up. And I will talk to you next time. Peace.